guys, what's up? We're at Onigiri on Kearny Street in San Francisco, California. We ordered an edamame set, and it's obviously vegetarian, and I'll tell you what it's like. We got our food, and this is what it looks like. It comes with edamame and pickled radish. Let me try it out. This is really good. I think the seaweed gives it flavor, and the rice is pretty good too. Finished with my meal. I think my favorite onigiri was definitely the mixed greens. I recommend you try it, and the edamame was very good too. There's also surrounding places, like my dad here had a sababa falafel sandwich, and there's also pasilla Mexican food nearby. So lots of options here, and I think this food was great.
Sailing up and down the East Coast.
And I think I rate this food